And you notice that when you detach this hose from the dishwasher and you notice water can drain out, there's no problem with the motor. The issue, majority of the time, is that the garbage disposal that it hooks up to has that right there in there that you gotta remove. See, a lot of them come, or this piece here, right inside there, has to be removed, the little piece in there. So you can knock that out the way and then install the hose back to it. So you're gonna knock it through and then reach over on top of your sink. Make sure your garbage disposal is unplugged, and you get your hand inside the top of your sink to get that piece out. So what I'm gonna use is a little piece like this, or a screwdriver or whatever. This came from my drill. I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use either a hammer or the back of these pliers just to knock against that. So place this piece here into the hole right there, like so. And then use a hammer on the back of this to hit against it. Now you see, let me show the light in there. See, it's removed. That piece that was in there earlier. Then you can go on top of your sink. Pull that out. See, there you go, the white cap over there. This is the piece right here that's blocking your water from letting your thing dishwasher drain. So now I'm going to reattach my line back. Okay, so now the line is going back to the garbage disposal. Here, make sure it's firm and tight. Secure it on there. I'm gonna tighten this on. So now I got that on there, secure, tight. I should have no issues with the water not being the drain from the dishwasher. Look at your remedy.